In this video, I'll show you guys an easy trading strategy I always use on Expert Option Mobile to get results like these. Before going to the video, make sure to join my Telegram channel where I give out free trading signals every day. Firstly, we have to add the RSI and the parabolic SAR indicators to the market. This will help us analyze the market more easily and identify any patterns in the market. Today, I will be trading on the Smarty Index, since it seems to be the most volatile and easy to analyze market at the moment. In the RSI indicator, we can see that the market is currently in an oversold state, meaning the market has a high chance of going for an upward trend. So, I'll place a $30 buy trade on the market. As predicted, the market went up and I got a profit of $25. An important metric while trading is the deal duration. Currently, I've set it to 10 seconds. The deal duration is something that is affected by many other factors. Most important among this is the movement of the market. Usually, with slow-moving markets, traders tend to use longer deal durations, while in a highly volatile market, it is set to a short time period. However, using a short deal duration like this for trade needs to be done with proper knowledge of the market. So we can see that the market dropped suddenly and touched the oversold line in the RSI indicator. Because of this, I placed $30 buy trade on the market. As you saw, I lost that trade at the last moment. Here, we can see the market touched the oversell line of the RSI indicator again. Since the market has been in a downward trend for a while, I placed 2 buy trades on the market. We were able to win both of those trades and get $50 in profit. Now I'll wait for another entry point to place a trade on the market. Here, we can see a sudden drop in the market. A market like this, which continued on an upward trend for a time, usually doesn't change its direction and continues. Usually the market will again change and continue to go in the same direction as before the sudden drop. If we observe the market more closely, we will be able to see many similar scenarios. Because of this, I have placed a buy trade on the market. As you guys saw, the market went back onto an upward trend, and we won that trade. I'll again wait for a few minutes and place a final trade. Here we can see that the market has continued on an upward trend for a while, and now changing for a downward trend. We can predict this as a strong sell signal, since the downward trend was also displayed by the parabolic SAR indicator. Because of this, I will place a $30 sell trade on the market. I won that trade as well. This brings my total profit from today's trading session to $99 US. As you saw, I was able to earn nearly $100 in a few trades by using proper methods. I hope you guys learned something new in this video. If you did, subscribe to see more videos like this every week. Also, make sure to join our Telegram channel for free trading signals every day. I'll see you guys in the next video.